Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will start to explain the law of sines and law of cosines. And firstly we will graph this triangle. In any triangle we have to know that we have 6 elements. We have 3 angles, A, B and C, and we have 3 sides. The sides that opposite to the angle A, which is A, and the sides that opposite to the angle B, B, and the sides that opposite to the angle C is C. The triangle has 6 elements. 6 elements. 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and 3 angles. And we know that the sum of measures of A and B and C have to be 180 degrees. The sum of measures of interior angles of any triangles have to be 180 degrees. Now I will start by law of sines. What is the law of sines? Law of sines tell me that A over sine angle A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. We have 3 ratios. A over sine A is equals to B over sine B. It's equals to C over sine C. How to use this law? I will use this law in 2 cases. If we have 2 sides and the angle not included between the other 2 sides. How? If we have any triangle like this one, and we know the value of this side and this side, and we have any of other 2 angles of these 2 angles, not this one. This one is wrong. I ask about 2 sides and the angle not included between the 2 sides. Okay? Or I will use it by using any 2 angles and another side. Any 2 angles and the other side. If we have triangles, we have this angle and we have this angle. Okay, that's good. And any side of the triangle, you can use any one. Because if you have the 2 sides, that's meaning you can find out the other third one. If you have the 2 angles of triangle, you can find out the third. Just, I know the sums have to be 180 degrees. This is the 2 cases. I will use the law of sines. Let us start by this example. I will ask you about, we have triangle. This triangle is ABC. And we know that measure A is equals to 70 degrees. Measure B, I'm sorry, not measure B, I will start by the first case, angle and 2 sides. So I will write A is equals to 7. A is 8 and B, which is 7. And I want to find out the other 3 elements. How to do it? Firstly, start by draw the triangle. We have A, B, and C. We have given measure A is equals to 70 degrees, and the side that opposite to angle A, which is A, is equals to 8, and B is equals to 7. I remember the rule A over sine A equals B over sine B equals to C over sine C. Write the given. A, we have A is 8 over sine A, it's sine 70 equals B, which is 7 over sine B, I don't know. This is the first unknown. And C, I don't know. And sine C, I don't know. So start by this one, firstly. I want to find out sine B, to find the measure of angle B. So sine B equals to, if we make the cross multiplication, the product of means equals the product of extremes. That's meaning 8 will be the denominator, and I will multiply 7 times sine 70. Use the calculator. I will start by this one. Fraction 7 times sine 70 divided by 8. It equals 0.822. 0.822. This is sine B. I want to find measure angle B. So I have to click on the calculator, shift sine. The answer, and close the parentheses, equals 55.3, approximately 55.3. 55.3 degrees. This is angle B now, 55.3 degrees. We have two angles, so I can find out the third one because the sum have to be 180. So measure C have to be 180 minus 70 minus 55.3. It equals what? Using the calculator. 180 minus 70 minus 55.3 equals 54.7. Have to be 54.7 degrees. Now I can use the rule again. I know that 8 over sine 70, it is equals to C. What is the value of C? I don't know. Over sine C, it is sine 54.7. I want to find out C, so I will make the cross multiplication. C equals to, the denominator have to be sine 70 and 8 multiplied sine 54.7, which is equal, by using calculator, 9. 6.9. By using three givens, three elements, I can find out the other three elements. Okay? Another one. Focus now. This is example number 2. We have triangle XYZ, and we know that measure angle X equals to 30 degree. Measure angle Y is equals to 45 degrees, and the side length X is equals to 5. How to find the other three elements? I will start by draw the triangle X, Y, Z, and we have that X is 30, Y is 45. So I can find out Z. Just 180. This is measure angle Z. It equals 180 minus 30 minus 45. It's equals to 105. It's equals to 105. This one is 105. And we know that x is 5. The side that opposite to x is 5. I can use the rule as x over sine angle x equals to y over sine angle y equals to z over sine angle z. X, it's 5. Over sine x, it's sine 30. Equals to y, I don't know. Over sine y, it's sine 45. Equals to z over sine 105. Now y equals what? Make the cross multiplication. Y equals, what's the denominator? Sine 30. Then 5 times sine 45. Use the calculator. 7.07. This is why. How to find z? I can make the same cross multiplication. So z equals to down sine 30 and 5 times sine 105. 9.66. Now find out the other three elements. By using the three elements, I can find out the other three elements. Now we will start to explain law of cosine. Law of cosine. Law of cosines. Law of cosines. A bar 2 equals to B bar 2 plus C bar 2 minus 2BC cosine A. And if we want to find B bar 2, it equals A bar 2 plus C bar 2 minus 2AC cosine B. And if we want to find C bar 2, it's equals to B bar 2 plus A bar 2 minus 2AB cosine C. And by using the same rules, we can start by cosine. If you want to find the angle, cosine A, it's equals to down 2BC. This is A. So the denominator have 2 times the other two sides. And up have to be B bar 2 plus C bar 2 minus A bar 2. And if you want to find cosine B, down, it's 2AC, because we have B here. And up, A bar 2 plus C bar 2 minus B bar 2. And if you want to find cosine C, it have to be 2AB and A bar 2 plus B bar 2 minus C power 2. This is the law of cosines. Yes, I know it's more than one rule. How to use this rule? If you have side, angle, side, it's two side and angle. No. In the law of sines, we speak that the angles have to be not included between the other two sides. But in this case, the angles have to be included between the two sides. If we have a triangle like this, and we speak that we have these two sides, we know the value of the two sides, the length of the two sides here. So I have to know the measure of this angle, the angles that included between the other two sides. And the second case, it's very clear, the three sides. If we have the three sides, we can use the law of cosines. Let's start by the examples. Now example number 3, and we have triangle ABC. We have the triangle ABC, and we know that A is equals to 3, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 6, and I want to know the other 3 angles, or find out the other 3 angles. How to solve? Now I want to know the angles, and I have the 3 sides. So I will start by cosine. I want to know the angle, so I will start by cosine A equals to A power 2. No, it's down to BC. So up have to be B power 2 plus C power 2 minus A power 2. Write the numbers. B power 2. B is 5. Power 2, 25. Plus C power 2 is 36. Power 2, 36. Minus 3 power 2, which is 9. And 2 times 5 times 6. It equals 25 using the calculator. 25 plus 36 minus 9 over 2 times 5 times 6, which is 13 over 15, or 0.86. 0.86. Now I want to find measure A. So I have to click shift cosine. Shift cosine. 0.86, or I can write answer, which is equals 29.93. 29.93 degrees approximately. And I can find cosine B by using the same rule. It have to be down, have to be 2AC, and up A power 2 plus C power 2 minus B power 2, which is equals to A power 2, which is 9, plus C power 2, 36, minus B power 2, 25, over 2 times A, 3 times C, 6. This is 0.5. So measure B have to be, I will see, 56.25. The third one, or measure C, we can find it directly by 180 minus 29.93 minus 26.25. I'm sorry, 56.25, which is equals to 93.82. By using the 3 elements, the 3 sides, I can find out the other 3 angles, or the measures of the other 3 angles. The next one, example number 4, we have triangle A, B, C. A equals to 9, B equals to 8, and measure angle C is equals to 50 degrees. To start to solve, I will draw the triangle A, B, and C. I know that A is 9, the side that opposite to angle A, the side that opposite to angle B is 8, and C is 50. Now I can use the cosine rule, because we have 2 sides and the angle between them, the angle that included between the 2 sides. So how to find out the other 3 elements? Firstly, I want to find the third side. You have to start to find the third side firstly. This side is called C, so I will start by C power 2. It's equals to, yes I know, B power 2 plus A power 2 minus C, 2 A B cosine C, which is equals to B power 2 is 81. No, not 81, it's 64. B equals to 8. So B power 2 equals to 64 plus 9 is 81 minus 2 times 9 times 8 cosine 50. You can find out this one by using calculator direct. 52.44, and this is what c power 2. How to find c? The square root. I will take the square root for the both ends. C have to be equals to square root of the answer, which is 7.24, approximately 7.24. Now I have the 7.24. Can find out angle B? Yes, I can. I can find out the angle A? Yes, I can, by using cosine A, which is equals to B bar 2 plus C bar 2 minus A bar 2 over 2 BC, which is equal B bar 2. It is A bar 2 64 plus C bar 2, it's 52.44 minus A bar 2, it is 81 over 2 times B, which is 8 times C, which is 7.24. It's equals to 0.31. So measure A have to be shift cosine. The last answer, it's equal 72.19, approximately 72.19. And I can find the third one, angle B, by using 180 minus 72.19 minus 50. I will get the correct answer. Thank you and goodbye.